I'm Dot Claire, modern day medicine woman and feng shui expert. I've taken Dr. Shirlene's heart-based sales course, and I never thought I would be able to do a course online. In fact, it was kind of against my principles for a long time, but her class really engaged me. And I really needed to learn a lot of confidence because I haven't really been that visible. And as a result of being on her courses, I've learned to ask for money. Oh my gosh, her sales program was fantastic. And I now even run a team, and I'm asking for money and helping my team ask for money. So I think it's a fabulous class, and it helped me get more focused on my audience. And I originally was not really addressing my audience. I discovered that when I asked a number of questions, the audience changed. And as a result, now I have sales, and I really am extremely happy that I took the course with Shirlene.